Hello, thank you for showing interest in this course. I'm Shivaji, having 14 plus years of experience teaching programming languages to the graduate level engineering students. If you are planning to start a career as a programmer, then you have chosen wisely to start with C programming language, because all the modern day languages like Java, C Sharp or PHP, they inherit syntax and fundamental conceptions mainly from C programming language. So if you are a champion in C programming language, you can just go ahead and learn these modern techniques quickly and easily. Dennis Ritchie, creator of C programming language, said in his famous book, "In order to learn a programming language, one should do the programs in it." I strongly believe in this conception. So if you want to be a programmer, you should do the programs practically. Throughout this course, I have done everything practically. So they are going to be comprehensive and easy to understand. This course is for beginners as well as for those who wants to gain more confidence in C programming language. I'll be teaching you from the very basic of C programming to the very advanced level. So at the end of the course, I guarantee that you will have enough confidence to crack technical interviews for your dream job. That's the other aspect of this course. If you're a student and having C programming language in your curriculum, then this course is going to be a great help to you. Your days of struggle with the assignments are going to end. Your grades are going to be improved highly. If you face any issues, if you have any questions, you need any clarification, you can always find me there. You can ask me questions in the forum. You can directly mail me and I'll be attending all your issues. That's a promise. This is a Udemy course. This comes with no question asked, 100% money back guarantee. So if you are not satisfied with the course, you can ask for a refund. Let's go ahead and start learning C programming with me. And believe me, this is really going to be fun. You're going to enjoy this.